You know that feeling, right? That goal, that promise you make to yourself. I'll start tomorrow. But then tomorrow comes, and poof, it doesn't happen. So today we're going to figure out why that keeps happening. And we're going to talk about a totally different way to think about it, moving from just trying harder with willpower to actually building a system that works.
Okay, just take a second and look at this. Skip the work, sleep with regret. Oof. Does that feel a little too real? I think for a lot of us it does. It's that awful, heavy feeling you get in your stomach at night when you know you didn't do the thing you were supposed to do. It's draining, isn't it?
So what's going on here? Turns out that feeling isn't just you having a bad day. It's actually a predictable cycle, a loop. And once you see it, you'll realize just how many of us are stuck in it. Let's break it down.
Yeah, they actually have a name for it, the start-stop-guilt cycle. And it goes exactly like this. You get super motivated, right? You start something new, you're all in. But after a few days, that fire kind of fizzles out. You stop. And then what comes next? Guilt. Tons of it. And that guilt is what eventually pushes you to start another new thing. And the whole crazy cycle just repeats itself. I mean, come on, that sounds way too familiar.
But here's the thing, and this is super important. The problem isn't you. You're not lazy, you don't lack discipline. It's that you're using the wrong tool for the job. It's like trying to hammer a nail with a screwdriver. You're bringing willpower to a fight that willpower was never designed to win. You actually need a system.
So why does willpower always seem to fail us in the long run? Think about it like this. Trying to use willpower is like trying to hold a beach ball underwater. You can do it for a little bit, but it takes a ton of energy. And the second you get distracted, whoosh, it pops right back up to the surface. Let's really dig into the fatal flaw of this whole approach.
You know, willpower on its own just doesn't have any teeth. I mean, think about it. If you skip a day, what really happens? Nothing. There are no real consequences. There's no urgency. It's all based on how you feel at that moment. And let's be real, our moods are all over the place. That initial burst of motivation, it's awesome, but it's guaranteed to fade. It always does.
And just look at the difference here. It's night and day. On the one hand, you've got the willpower trap. Your motivation dies, you get stuck over-planning everything, and you go to bed with that awful regret. But then, look at the other side. With the system, you get built-in deadlines, you know exactly what to do each day, you can see your progress, and you go to sleep feeling accomplished. It's a totally different reality.
So what is this magic system we're talking about? Well, here's the crazy part. It's not some big secret. In fact, you already know exactly how powerful systems are. You've been using them and succeeding with them pretty much your whole life.
No, really, think about it. How do we manage to get things done for school or college or at our jobs? We hand in papers, we meet deadlines, even on days where we have absolutely zero motivation. How? What's the secret sauce that makes it work there, but not for our personal goals?
It's because they all have one thing in common, a system. It's not about your mood, it's not about waiting for inspiration to strike, it's a fixed, external structure that tells you what to do, whether you feel like it or not. And pretty much every working system is built on these 4 pillars. You have a clear task, like write this report. You have a clear deadline, it's due Friday. You have a clear reward, like, getting paid or passing the course. And this is the most important one, a clear consequence if you don't do it. You might fail or get a bad review from your boss. That's what makes it real. That's accountability.
Okay, so this is all great, right? Systems work. But how do you build one for your personal life, for going to the gym or learning a new skill? It's tough to create that structure for yourself. Well, that's exactly where this tool, Habit Builder, comes in. It's designed to be that external system for you.
And the beauty of it is how simple it is. The whole point is to get rid of that "what should I do now" feeling. It boils down to 3 steps. 1, you pick one commitment for the day. 2, you track that one action. 3, you end the day with results. That's it. No complicated plans, no getting overwhelmed.
Habit Builder won't let you fail. Okay, I know that sounds like a crazy bold claim, but it's not based on magic. It's based on everything we just talked about. It's not trying to pump up your motivation. It's trying to build a structure around you that makes doing the work, well, almost unavoidable. So what's the secret ingredient? What makes this different from all the other habit apps you've tried and deleted? It's that 4th pillar, a clear consequence. It has that pain if you skip built right in. That's the missing piece. It creates the accountability that pure willpower just can't. And look, it seems to be the real deal for people. Just read what Rahul said. He tried 5 different apps and quit every single one after a week. But with this one, he's been consistent for 3 weeks. Why? Because of its simplicity and that built-in accountability. It proves it's not about adding more bells and whistles. It's about getting the core psychology right.
All right, so this brings us to the final piece. How do you get this system working for you? The goal here isn't to trap you in another monthly subscription. It's to offer a one-and-done, permanent fix to this whole procrastination problem.
Right now, you can get lifetime founder access. That means you pay one time, just 999 rupees, and you have it forever. That's it. No monthly bills, no subscriptions. You get the system, plus all the updates they ever make, for life.
And let's just put that number into perspective for a second. That's literally cheaper than a couple of pizzas. You spend that on something that's gone in an hour. This, on the other hand, is an investment in getting results every single day for the rest of your life.
So really, it all boils down to this one simple question. You're going to go to sleep tonight. That's a fact. The only question is how you're going to feel when you do. Are you going to feel that familiar sinking feeling of regret? Or are you going to feel that quiet pride of actually doing what you set out to do? The choice is totally yours.